All right, last one.
Last one. What happens when a rock is thrown into a volcano from a height?
Just a height.
I'm going to guess it's an explosion of some kind. Ooh.
Keep watching.
That's quite a height. So it penetrates
What seems to have
the
like
crust,
hardened,
like a hardened crust on the outside of the volcano. And so it creates a perforation.
It's like, you made
An
me
exit.
mad.
Yeah.
I like Will's.
Opening, which turns
Whoa.
into an entire...
It just gets bigger and bigger. And,
wow. Wow.
Think
And
about that happening underneath it.
that is just
Constant.
yeah.
the
Just
heat
a
you
little
can't
rock.
even imagine.
a little stone.
It created a big enough opening to give it a chance.
Uh-huh.
What's really crazy about this is when you look at the volcano, when it does have the hardened top on it, it looks kind of unimpressive.
Just a
You can't
regular
appreciate the power, and then the rock hits,
ground until it's been unleashed.
and you go, "Oh, right, that is very dangerous and powerful." And the idea
floor
of
is
just mushy hot lava's crazy, man.
Yeah. It's what happens when I eat too much.
Somebody says the rock says to the volcano, "Go ahead."
Go ahead, Vol. Yeah. Thank you to everybody who joined us here today. Thank you for all the super chats as usual. Thank you to Mo for keeping it together and pulling himself out of the crevice in the couch there and inflating himself to 50% for this episode. Shout out to Will for a couple of cool finds there at the end and everything else that he does to make this show possible. I guess we won't see you for a little bit. I hope everyone has a wonderful weekend. I hope everyone gets a little bit of outdoor time. Maybe you lie in the grass. Maybe you feel some sun. Maybe you spend some time with some loved ones. Maybe you catch up on some loo later if you need to as you clean up around the house. It's completely up to you. What a time to be alive. We'll see you very soon. Later, guys.